Good morning, everyone. My name is Oluwatosin Samuel. I'm bringing you a daily dose of the market outlook for gold this morning. And firstly, let's start with the economic calendar using the one at Work Factory. And if we observe, we see that today we have a major news release. We have not had a major news release in a while. We have the CPI release today and also the PMI data release. For the CPI, we're having the core CPI month to month, the CPI month to month, and also the CPI year on year. We're expecting no change in the core CPI month to month and the CPI month to month. For the CPI year on year, we're expecting it to gain a little bit by 0.02%. So we're expecting the forecast to start. We are going to move higher from the previous, which is 2.9% to 3.1%. And for the PMI numbers, for the manufacturing services, we're expecting slight reduction from 52 to 51.9 on the manufacturing, and so from a 54.2% to 53.5%. And the last news data we're expecting today is a low impact news, which is the consumer sentiment and inflation expectation. We're expecting the consumer sentiment to reduce from 55 to 54.6, and the inflation expectation to remain the same at 4.6%. So that's it. Let's dive quickly into the technicals. And looking at dollar index, start with the monthly. You see that we are trading above the previous month high, which is a sign of bullishness for the dollar index, at least some recovery or retracement. On the weekly, should be post potential around here. Sorry guys, my Wi-Fi just restarted. I don't want to make this video long. So on the weekly on the dollar index, see that last week we made an inside candle, and this week we are still inside the inside candle, which is a sign of consolidation. So we can predict a breakout today if the CPI gets released. Please note that the data may be postponed, maybe delayed, it may be revised, it may be cancelled. So look at CPI release, we're expecting a movement in one direction, depending on the data released. If you are not skewed, skewed means that this data, the data do not point in one direction. That is one gaining and one losing. So if we have a one directional data, we should have a move up. So very quickly to the VIX, to the daily time frame on the VIX, see that VIX has been taken down, which is some sign of relief. And the fact that I don't have to use we don't have to use a big stop loss right now. Scalping like myself. So VIX is below 18, which means volatility is going down. And here we have gold, which is the asset that I trade currently. So that gold has been going upward on the weekly, which is very bullish. On the weekly time frame, it is quite funny that we have a bearish engulfing candle. It's been a while since we had a bearish engulfing candle on gold, but this candlestick does engulf because we took out the previous week high. Also, I've taken out the previous week low from days ago. You can see on Monday, that previous week high. On Wednesday, took out the previous week low, which is not a good sign. And we have the biggest single day loss in the history of gold since 2020 on Tuesday. And we had it on the back of a very negative delta as well. minus 70k, over minus 70k or so, yes. So yesterday on gold we had an inside candle as well. This was a direction in candle and an inside candle. And we see that it's been ticking down today as well at minus 0.91%. Very quickly to the hourly, we see that we are in a downtrend. So I like to measure the market using viewer. And the first one here is the weekly viewer, which just shows the price, the average buying price. This shows that the average buyer is underwater for this week. The average seller is in profit. Since the start of the month, see that we are now testing the monthly anchor viewer, is showing that the average buyer is still in profit. And from the swing we made Wednesday, which is this right there, I mentioned a viewer as well. And it's showing that the average buyer is now going to loss. For trade ideas on gold, I also have this here, which measures the volume profile distribution for the previous day. This is the value area high, this is the VPOC, and very low. Now see what is happening right now is the fact that we had a rejection from previous days VPOC area. It also aligns with today's VPOC area. You can check that on the 5 minute. And we had a rejection and then a continuation. We broke out of the inside as I can do reformed by 5 o'clock. And now we're trading that with testing the anchor viewer from the swing low we had on Wednesday and also the monthly anchor viewer. So the idea for today will be a possible breakout on inflation data release. So the data is scheduled to be released by 1:30 p.m. Please be on the lookout for that. You can try scalping 1 or 2 positions. If we have a retracement, a little bit of retracement, you can accept a short continuation. And you can see that delta is now back in the negative territory. So that will be the idea for today. See you guys next time. Please note that this is not an investment advice. It is just my view and take on the market. Good luck with trades. I'll see you next time.